the sun is going down.
And damn Blabbermouth, the persistence. Gang up, well if you're down with the boom, put your hands up. One, yo. See these flows come naturally back with the beats. We hold the block down and even back in the heat. We take it down from the top till it bound to get dropped. Locked in a box of gadgets to come around the block. It's hip hop, dedicated to those who appreciate life. Ready to rip up sessions, just plug in the mic. Got my reasons to write you, plus the beats banging. Hear the crowd goes like God damn it. Glad to hear that you're still on the grind. Kick back from a sack, take your moment to rhyme. Spark up the madism, and write a few lines. Now we back on the mic, yes, instead of the nine. This is real hip hop, it drop official ghetto anthems. Rebel music, big up to my homie Phantom. We'll recognize, we're back from the gutter. Keep that shit banging, yes, we back with another. Man, gang up, well if you're down with the boom, put your hands up, one, get bang.
We still got rhymes enough, we bringing the lyrical style, yo, we live as fuck.
Bang, gang up, well if you're down with the boom, put your hands up, one, get bang.
We still got rhymes enough, we bringing the lyrical style, yo, we live as fuck. We making this harder every week and we just sending out no memos, so better be on the lookout, cause this is not a demo.